How you going, guys? It's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here with Phil. Tell us about your ride, mate.
It's a 77 HZ Tonner. It was originally a plumber's ute with a 253 column shift auto, and it was just plain white, but it was a good shell.
Yep.
And so the idea was to sort of mimic what I could do back in the 70s if I went to a dealer, a Holden dealer, and order it.
Yep.
Pretty much with the GTS front end, the early HQ front end, a Chev motor, and the GTS Interior.
Awesome.
It's running a 454 big block in it.
Nice.
Turbo 400 and a 9-inch, and Convo Pro wheels. And I like my factory colours, so it's Salamanca Red, which is an early HQ colour.
Yep, absolutely. No, perfect. It's a beautiful ride, mate. So, how long have you owned this one for?
15 years. It was going to be just a bit of a tidy up, and as all projects go, it sort of turned into a 10-year full-on resto, and the more you get into it, then the more you committed to just going the whole way.
Yeah, yeah.
And the car was just stripped down twice, and basically went through everything: suspension, brake upgrades, all the wiring was redone, and it's got electric windows now.
Yep.
Because I'm getting a bit tired of winding up windows.
What do you do?
Yeah, and what I've done at the back,
Nice.
just making use of the wasted space. So this is the factory tank I've just relocated to the back, and I've got a tray there for each spare wheel. When I go to an event, or take a chair with me to sit on, just some cleaning materials and jack, and get some looks when I go to the petrol stations, and I'll lift the tray up and fill the tank up, and these mufflers on the Corvette.
Awesome.
So it's fairly quiet and compact, so you don't have the mufflers down there, so all that area is free to put the box in.
Yeah, no, great. So, have you got any other projects on the go at the moment?
Yeah, I've got a HJ Monaro coupe, which I'm about to start next week. I've got a Corvette at home, and I'm doing another 1-tonner.
Awesome.
It's got a 454 and a 671 supercharger on it. They'll be ready at the end of the year.
Yeah, oh, that'll be awesome to see, mate.
Yep.
And yeah, got any future events coming up that you're going to?
Just cruising this year at the moment, but we'll be going to the Van and Ute Nationals.
Yep.
And I'll be taking this one this year.
Awesome.
Last year I went and I took my van, which I've since sold.
Yep.
Living happily ever after up in Broome.
Absolutely.
Yep. So yeah, just with all this COVID now, just cruising, just enjoying it.
Absolutely, that's what you got to do. You just got to enjoy it at the moment.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Especially with the restrictions we've got, we just got to go through life this way.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, look, thanks for talking to us at Aussie Garage, and we'll catch up with you soon.
Okay, thanks, Phil.
No problem. See you, Phil.
Yep.